Hello everyone, in this question PQRS is a rectangle and inside this rectangle two circles are embedded like this, and the length of this blue line segment is given 6 unit, and this blue line segment is actually parallel to this PS line segment, and the length of this PS line segment is given 8 unit. Then we have to find the length of this PQ. So to find the length of this PQ, first I will consider this point as a M and this point as a N and this point as a K. Okay, so MK will be the chord for this green circle and KN will be the chord for this red circle. And there is a one important theorem, that is the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. That is, if there is any circle and this is center, and let's suppose this is any chord, and if we draw perpendicular from the center of the circle to this chord like this, then this will be distributed into equal half. That is, length of this will be equal to length of this according to this theorem. So using this theorem, if we consider center for this green circle is here, and if we draw perpendicular on the chord MK like this, then this part will be equal. And also if we consider center for this circle is here, and if we draw perpendicular from this center of red circle to this chord KN, then this will be equal. And let's suppose this point as a U and this point as a V. Then what will be the length of this UV? We can say that UV equal to UK plus this KB. We can say that actually I am talking about this length UV, and we can write UK equal to half of chord MK. If you see, then you will observe, and KV equal to, we can write half of chord KN, that is this. And if we take LCM, then this will be 2, and here we will write MK plus KN. And we know MK and KN is the length of this MN, so we can write directly MN over 2, and MN length is given what, 6 unit according to question. So this will be equal to what, 3. So UV equal to what, 3 unit. It is orange line segment length. Why I am finding, you will see this, as according to question this MN is parallel to this PS. So we will write here MN is parallel to this PS. So now if we draw, then this will be what, radius for this green circle, and here PQ is a tangent for this green circle, and we know radius is always perpendicular on tangent, so this will be what, perpendicular, and radius I will consider for this green circle as a x unit. And here also if we draw, then this will be what, radius. Let's suppose this radius will be y unit for this red circle, and here SR is a tangent for this red circle, so this will also be perpendicular because radius is perpendicular on point of tangency. Now you can see that this up to this UV length, if we arrange in this way, and this y length, that is radius, if we arrange here in this way, then this will also be parallel to this PS. So this means what, PS will be equal to this length, and this length is given 3 unit, and this length is y, so we can write here PS equal to x, and this orange length, that is 3 unit, and we can write this y length, here we can write, and PS is given according to question 8 unit, so 8 equal to x plus 3 plus y, So we can say that x plus y equal to what? 5. This is required. Now, if we extend this blue line, that is in this way, then this will also be what? Perpendicular. And if we connect here center of this green circle to center of this red circle in this way, then this is forming what? A right angle triangle. Let's suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. Then what will be the length of AC? AC will be equal to AK plus KC, and AK will be equal to radius of this green circle, that is as we have considered X, and KC will be radius for this red circle as we have considered Y unit, so we will write X plus Y, and we just obtained X plus Y equal to 5, so we can write 5. So AC length will be equal to what? This will be equal to 5. I am talking about this right angle triangle actually only. This length is 5 and this length is given 3 unit. Okay, that is AB length. We can write AB equal to 3. So we can easily find BC equal to using Pythagoras theorem. We can write 5 square minus 3 square, that is 25 minus 9 under root 16, which is equal to 4. So BC length will be equal to what? 4 unit. Okay. Now understand here, this BC as we have obtained, if we connect here like this, then this will be the radius for red circle, which is also Y unit. And here, if we connect in this way, this length will be what actually? Equal to radius of this green circle, which is equal to what? X. So this length will also be X. So we can say that this whole length, if we consider as O and here T, OT will be equal to what? This PQ, and OT is equal to X plus this BC length and this CT equal to PQ, and X plus CT is actually Y, so I will write here Y. X plus Y according to, as we obtained 5, so we can write 5 plus BC equal to PQ, and BC is what actually? 4 unit as we know, so we can write PQ equal to 9 units. So 9 unit will be the required answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel also.